Here are the triangle trend indicators for NinjaTrader on 6/13/2012 on the ES4 Renko. I went long on this bar right here when the swing cycle moved up here and was green. The other indicators were all moving up, down and through here. Now the binary triangle gives you an early indication of an up move, because when in the inputs, when you set it to plot on bar close, you set that to false. So it plots intrabar. This plots true on set to bar close, so that you get an early warning here. This will trigger before the indicator here is it will trigger intrabar. So you get the long up triangle right in this area before the triangle shows up here. And this is one of the advantages of using the binary triangle along with the other indicators. Is if you set this the same as you set this, you get some false triangles in through here. And another technique is when you plot the DIX in here in the same panel as the binary triangle, when the DIX turns green and is moving up above its zero line, just as the binary triangle shows an up trend right in here, that's a very good signal in and of itself, and especially on a day like this where you've got little up and down moves. Now these moves were overnight and before the market opened at 6:30 here in California, and but obviously I would not trade these little two up bars in through here, even though this was green and this was after the market opened. Generally speaking, I don't take a trade until the third bar. And you can see by that, using that rule, if this had been during normal trading hours, I would have avoided these little head fakes up here and here and here, and avoid this little head fake here. So I took the trade here on the third bar, and this was good for 7 points. Now I didn't get out of it here when the triangle formed right here, because the swing cycle was still way up here. There's a little bit of a dip in here, but it wasn't anywhere near to crossing the variable band, and this is why I developed the variable band, because ordinarily with most cycle oscillators, it's when they indicate an overbought area here, but you can see clearly it's far from overbought. However, up here, when the variable band comes up here and the swing cycle moves below the variable band, this is overbought here, at least relatively speaking. So I felt this was a good point to get out of the trade for 7 points.